Long live King William. Ladies and gentlemen, a living legend has just left the building. Born with a starter, the youngest of 6 children. But to me, Bill was more like one in a billion. He joined the Navy at the tender age of 17, repairing planes while he was sailing on the 7 seas. They headed west for an adventure and a change of scene. Bought a guitar and started playing words and melodies. And at the same age I am today, made his way to LA, to the land where the legends get made. Plenty execs said he'd never get played. Then Ain't No Sunshine hit the radio waves, topping charts from the start with his songs from the heart. But in his heart of hearts, Bill ain't wanna be no star. Left the music biz for life with his wife and his 2 kids. Mr. Withers ain't a hero, well tell me then who is? Party people in the house, what's the deal with it? Yeah, it's been a long time and you're still with us. Bump this shit like you're driving out the dealership, listening to the greatest hits of Mr. Bill Withers. And party people in the house, what's the deal with it? Yeah, it's been a long time, are you still with us? One more time, raise your glass, lift your spirits for the greatest of all time, Mr. Bill Withers. Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that tomorrow ain't never promised. To listen has been an honor. Now you're gone, but you never forgot it. So one more time I'm saying thank you for the memories, all of the pieces of your untouchable legacy. You make me wish I was alive in the 70s. I know I'll be bumping your shit up in my 70s. And it's fitting that you chose this moment to make your exit, when we were home alone and feeling so disconnected. And then your songs came on and hearing the chord progressions united us for a second. I swear I'll never forget it. See, today was the day I received the transmission on the transistor that Mr. Withers has transitioned. And though my heart broke knowing he's no longer with us, I know that he lives on in spirit. So I'ma carry on tradition as long as they wanna listen, describing human condition and rhyming it with the rhythm, aspiring to Bill's wisdom. This one's for Mr. Withers. Never met it, but I know damn well I'm gonna miss him. Party people in the house, what's the deal with it? Yeah, it's been a long time, and you're still with us. Bump this shit like you're driving out the dealership, listening to the greatest hits of Mr. Bill Withers. And party people in the house, what's the deal with it? Yeah, it's been a long time, are you still with us? One more time, raise your glass, lift your spirits for the greatest of all time, Mr. Bill Withers. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, it's not warm when he's away. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime he goes away.
Looking back, my life couldn't been harder on me. Lord knows I deserve a break. What a pretty motherfucking sight to see. You're impossible to shake. I gave up on the first sight, girl, you have won. I can't get out my way, sometimes I just get lost. Can I come over on a weekday in the morning when it's early? I can't stay in my place, it's too ugly, yeah. I don't think there'll ever be a question or a reason you won't love me. I can see it's in her 30s with a baby, yeah. You got me crushed to pieces. I've been down deep, I've seen the bottom. I had reckless tunnel vision. Oh, won't you take these chains off me? Woo! Won't lie, you can save my life. I feel like having a touch, just make my dreams come true. Having a touch, just let that dress undo. Having a touch, spellbound, show me that you feel the same. You'd be like having a touch, got nirvana running through my veins. Can I come over on a weekday in the morning when it's early? I can't stay in my place, it's too ugly, yeah.
Last century.
Oh, hit it. Hit that I-beam. Look, the very tip of my prop.
Just got that I-beam. Woo! That was fucking intense. Don't listen to hectic music while you're flying freestyle.
Not good.